Good evening, and welcome to Cooking Conspiracy as we do gyoza. These delicious dumplings are filled with beef, cabbage, nira, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper. You say cabbage? Anyways, you're going to dice the cabbage, mince it even, and you're going to bag it up. You're going to add some salt to the bag, and you're going to work the bag, compress it, rubbing it down until it ejaculates water. Now, once it does that, and you'll see here in a minute, you'll get rid of the water and you will not add that to your bowl. You'll just add the compacted cabbage. See? Okay, now here's where you mix it all together, incorporate it, drawing that water out of the cabbage. It's very important. Very, very important. It's almost done. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit of pressure and there you go, it's finished. See the water? You want to get rid of that. Add the cabbage to the bowl. Chop your nira though, dice it. You can also use scallions or spring onion or green onion, whatever you want to call it. Add your beef to the bowl. Mix it together. A little bit of light fisting will go over well here, you know. Just incorporate it evenly. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Woke up at 9:30 this morning. Tired. Add your ginger. You can always add more. Adjust to taste. The same thing with your garlic, you know, dice or grate it. Add black pepper. And now your liquids, your soy sauce here. Nice, generous helping. There you go. Some sesame oil. Nice little help in there, drizzle. Okay, now mash it together. Make sure it's all blended evenly. Okay, take your spoon, have your filling, put it on your shell, you know, moisten the edges. Yes, I said moist. It's good connotations with that word. Hold the back side, unfold the front side over towards you, and press them together, as demonstrated, and that's how you make a perfect looking gyoza. There we go, look at all of them. Beautiful. Start your pan out over high heat with a little bit of oil in there. You know, get a little bit of that oil on each gyoza. And then you're going to turn the heat down a little bit as you add some hot water to the pan. You know, almost boiling here, but not quite. And then you're going to cook them in that, and the steam will do the job. And then it'll be about 5 minutes of medium heat or so. Adjust accordingly. You know your stove and cookware. And there we go. Those are ready to eat. Thanks for joining us. Love to see you all subscribe and support the channel. More content to come. Well, I'm rambling. Thanks, guys. Peace. Ciao, ciao.